Hey, what up, you guys? So today I have a unboxing from BeeBeeCraft. I'll leave their link down below along with all the products that they sent my way. I joined the YouTube program, so I'm gonna leave that link as well. If you guys have 100 subscribers or more, and if you go onto their website and you answer a few questions, they'll see if you qualify, and then they give you like an amount that you can spend, and they send them your way, and you have to review the products and do a few videos, and then make sure you send it to them so they know. So, and yeah, and link all the products down in the description box below. I had to ship this to my mom's house just because I don't know what's going on with my P.O. box. So let's just get into it. See, it's packaged very well. I did open it because my brother, he was like, what's in there? It sounds like pills. Is like, he heard like the sounds, and he really wanted to know what was inside. So I opened it up for him. I didn't take anything out of its packaging because I wanted to show you how well they package their items. I picked up these snowflakes, and I was very excited because they came just in time. I mean, even though I'm a little late to the crafting, but they have all different sizes. It's like silver, like this bronzy color, gold. They have small ones, big ones, like you name it. It's a lot in there, guys. You definitely get a lot. So I have been excited to start my little, you know, beading and charm making and all of that. As you can see how well these packaged, everything is well packaged. So for time's sake, I'm going to open everything up off camera and then come back and share with you everything else. I'm new to making beads and charms and all of that dangles, but I picked up these, and these, I love the containers, by the way. It's so cute. So we have this, like the silver, then we have like a, I don't know what color that is, like a gunmetal kind of color maybe. Then this one here, it's like a bronzy color, and these are actually a really good size. You get the gold, very nice. You get, oh, okay, so there's a really bright silver one, and then those are not so bright. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. I'll put them side by side so you guys can see. Let's see. Can you guys tell the difference? So yeah, this one is a little silvery, and this one's not so much silvery. And did I show this one? No, this one's like a, I'm going to say copper, maybe. Like a penny looking color. I really like the size of those. Dollar Tree had came through with these, but they're really small. So I like that size. Then these are what? Jump rings, you guys. I'm assuming they're called jump rings. Now, I don't know the sizes. It probably said the size, but as you can see there, I'm going to leave everything down below. So if you guys want to purchase some, you can. Sorry for my birds in the background. Also get it in the copper color. Or not copper. I don't know what color that is. Then this one here, like the gunmetal. Really silvery. And then that's like the penny, maybe copper looking color. And then like the regular silver. And I already showed you the gold. So then here is, I didn't open it up. So these I was really excited about. I love the container. Very nice container, you guys. So I have no idea what these are called. No clue. But they have a loop and a screw. See? And they do come in a lot of sizes. Yeah, because there's like a really small one there. So that's how that looks. I'm going to try to make erasers with these. Like eraser dangle charms. See how that plays out. Oh, look. It also came with like tweezers. It's cute. These here are gold. Sorry for my birds, you guys. It's their time to talk. Now, this, from what I understand, it's to help open up the jump rings, I think. So that is pretty cool. I'm going to put it on my finger for a second. Then these are jump rings, right? But these are smaller. They're smaller than these. Just so I can show the comparison. See? So that's pretty cool. I have different sizes. And these, I was thinking of making wire wrap beads, but didn't realize how small they were. I think they do come in bigger, longer sizes, but I did see a lot of the girls too when they cut a lot off of it, and I feel like it's a waste. So anyway, I'm still learning any tricks or tips, but yes, I figure I'll try these out and see how that works. I'm excited. So stay tuned because I'm going to be using these items in upcoming videos. Then we also get some, what are these called again? Lobster clasps, I'm thinking, because I used to work at a jewelry store. And yeah, so I think that's what they're called. Now I want to compare the difference to these. Let's see. Let's check them out. If it's much of a difference. Oh no, I think they're pretty much the same thing. All right, well, look, I got more, which is great. See, I should have like double checked what I was ordering, but I was really excited about this program and I wanted to see what was going on. And these are head pins, eye pins. You guys know the names. I don't know them. Anyway, so you get them in gold and silver. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm going to be testing these out. The last thing I picked up were these charms. My little jewelry experience. I worked in an actual jewelry store with like real gold and diamonds and all that. I worked for Zales diamond store. Then I also worked in a other store which they had like custom jewelry. Anyway, so we would put them in these bags because eventually they'll get tarnished. And when they do get tarnished, you guys, try to get a cloth like this. Now I did see Dollar Tree, I came through with little jewelry cleaning wipes. So if you see them, get them. They're reusable. You can reuse them and reuse them. It looks like this. As you can see, I've cleaned lots of jewelry on there. And sometimes you wash it and it doesn't come off. So this is from Zales, the diamond store. And yeah, so it's good to, I would say, keep them in here so they won't tarnish. These are little hearts that says thank you, and they're in gold. And a trick, you guys, when you want to open up these Ziploc bags, just twist. So how I did that? Little silver ones that says love. Take them out the bag because I'm going to be here forever. These are hearts. Well, the whole thing is hearts, guys, just so you know. These are hearts with a little rose on it. How stinking cute. They come in gold. This one here are a little bit bigger. And they have like a nice little design. And these are in gold as well. These here. Oh, so they're a little different than these. It's a little different shape heart. They're really nice. I like those. Silver ones over here, and they're like a slanted heart. How stinking cute those are. And hearts can be year-round. These says made with love, and they're in silver. So it looks like it's engraved a little bit. These are plain silver hearts. Very nice. They're small. These says made with love. So I guess you get two of them. One in silver and one in gold. Then you got these cute little chunky hearts. Oh, they have some weight on it. Look how adorbs. Then we have these hearts here. Like the silhouette of the hearts. I like the size on that. And these double hearts. These are cool. Let me look at them. Look how cute. Yes. Okay, cool, cool, cool. These here. Oh, they have a dog print. Look how cute. They could be a cat or a dog print. Either one. Last two here we have are these. Oh, these are cool because these. Oh, I'm going to have a nice time playing with these. It's a heart. One is like hollow, like the other half of the heart is hollow. The other one is solid. Then it has a little hole there. So you guys, you could put a little jump ring and then dangle a little bead charm thing. Yes, super cute. Love that one. And the last ones are these. These are super cute. They're hearts with another heart cut out of it. You guys, so these are my items that I got from BeeBeeCraft. Links will be down below. Everything to these items that I purchased will be down below, you guys. Make sure to go check out their website. They have a lot of things to choose from. And for the quantity you get, you pay for what you get because this is a lot. And like it's really good deals. I suggest you go check them out. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on how I plan to use these dangle charms and jump rings and all of that. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Leave me some comments down below. Please let me know any suggestions, tips, or tricks. All right. Bye, guys.